Bem-vindo, travelers. If Portugal isn't on your bucket list yet, it's about to be. From jaw-dropping coastlines to medieval castles, delicious pastéis de nata to vibrant festivals, Portugal is packed with unforgettable experiences. So grab your passport, because next stop, Portugal. First stop, Lisbon, the city of 7 hills and endless charm. Start your adventure by hopping on the iconic yellow tram 28 for a ride through the city's historic neighborhoods. Make your way to Belém and sink your teeth into the legendary pastéis de nata at Pastéis de Belém. And for a breathtaking sunset, head to the Miraduro de Santa Catarina. But the real magic happens after dark. Bairro Alto comes alive with fado music, buzzing bars, and an electric atmosphere you won't want to miss. Next stop, Porto, the city that gave the world port wine. Walk across the Dom Luís I Bridge for stunning views, then explore the Ribeira district, where colorful houses line the riverbank. But here's the insider tip. Head to a wine cellar in Vila Nova de Gaia and sip on some authentic port wine with a view of the city. Oh, and if you're hungry, you have to try the francesinha, Portugal's most indulgent sandwich. Trust me, it's a game changer. Sintra looks like it was pulled straight out of a storybook. The Pena Palace, with its bright colors and whimsical design, is a must-see. But here's a secret. Go early in the morning to beat the crowds. For something mystical, check out Quinta da Regaleira, where secret tunnels and enchanting gardens create an unforgettable experience. This place is pure magic, and you'll feel like royalty exploring it. Welcome to the Algarve, where golden beaches meet crystal-clear waters. Whether you're soaking up the sun in Lagos, kayaking through the Benagil Caves, or surfing in Sagres, this region is a paradise for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. And don't forget to chase the sunset at Ponta da Piedade. Trust me, it's a view you'll never forget. For the ultimate off-the-beaten-path adventure, head to Portugal's stunning islands. Madeira is known for its breathtaking Levada hikes and lush green landscapes. Meanwhile, the Azores are like Europe's version of Hawaii. Volcanic craters, hot springs, and endless natural beauty. Pro tip, if you're into whale watching, this is one of the best places in the world for it. Before we wrap up, here are some essential tips to make your Portugal trip even better. Best time to visit: spring, April to June, and fall, September to October, offer perfect weather and fewer crowds. Public transport hack: get a Viva Viagem card in Lisbon. It's a lifesaver for trams, buses, and even ferries. Foodie alert: don't leave without trying bacalhau, salted cod, piri-piri chicken, and of course, pastel de nata. Cultural etiquette: Portuguese people are warm and welcoming. Learn a few words like obrigado, thank you, to show appreciation. Safety tip: Portugal is super safe, but be mindful of pickpockets in crowded tourist areas. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to traveling in Portugal. Whether you're here for the history, the beaches, the food, or the adventure, this country will leave you wanting more. If you loved this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic travel guides. Ate logo, travelers. And tell us in the comments, which Portuguese destination is calling your name?